Welcome to IVDNN's Good Morning World. The COVID is slowly receding, one can say, and the aggressive vaccination is going on across the world. Every country has developed their own kind of a vaccine and started administering on the people. And some people say that it is effective, some people say that it is not effective. It is a controversy still going on, but the world is standing, crossing fingers and looking for a hopeful outcome that would release the humanity from this imprisoned life. So before that, we will see what all the impact the COVID can cause on the body. First of all, one should know that the cells in the human body is like a machines without a brain. So an external command or external order is required to make the changes or the behavior of the cell. So that is what most viral or the bacterial cells will do. They attach to the cell and enter the cell inside. They inject a DNA or RNA into that cell, and that DNA RNA will act as a command or control or the brain of that cell, and the cell will start behaving the way the command receives. So the eyes, nose and the lips where the liquid area or the wet area of a human body supports the movement of the virus are the parts where the virus can transport or virus can sail. So that is why people are advised not to touch their hands or on the nose, eyes or the lips when they coming out from somewhere until they wash their hands. Secondly, once these viruses get in touch with this wet area, or either your mouth or your nose or your eyes, immediately it starts moving in that liquid area and the wet area, and slowly it reaches the throat area, and they inject their DNA or RNA into the cells of the throat, and they take a command of that cell and tell the cell that from today you are going to work according to my command. Whatever you have been doing, stop it. Now you do it. So what happened? These cells started creating, supplying the protein, the other elements required for this virus to multiply. So once they supply the number of lakhs and lakhs of the virus getting multiplied inside the cell, and after that, after a specific period of time, this matured virus multiplied inside the cells started going out, and they go and again attach to another cell, and they inject their DNA or RNA into that cell, and they get more and more multiplied virus. Finally, what happened? They started moving into the other part of the throat, that is the lungs and trachea. These area, they again take the command. Finally, they reaches the alveoli. Alveoli is a small bubbles inside your lungs, which is the place where the oxygen is absorbed by the lungs. Once these areas started infected by this virus, then the body will get the information that something has attacked the body. Some external body is already there in the alveoli, so that the body will immediately ramp up for fighting back. So that time what happens, this area where these viruses have been infected, they become swelling. The body will start pumping a lot of fluid to detach that place. Once the swelling takes place, that area become inactive. That area will not have enough ability to absorb oxygen. That is why people who have been affected by COVID becomes the breathing problem. The same way, once the entire breathing problems takes place, the body will swelling more and more inside the alveoli and the lungs, it will become more and more acute problems. And finally, due to breathing problem, due to lack of oxygen in the body, the man dies. The person who is affected, the victim, dies. Sometimes the victims prolongs their sustainability. Then what happens? The virus will go and affect the heart. The same thing will happen to the kidney. The same thing will happen to the other vital organs. So what happens? This area again takes place. The body detects the problems. Then immediately it swells. Once the swelling takes place, that part of the body or organs will not be able to function properly. So they become infected and inactive. Then the body get affected completely. The entire machinery of the body become completely infected and inactive. This is the way the COVID affects your body. Now, how? Again, another part is affected by COVID is that bone marrow. Bone marrow, once it is affected, the red blood cells will not be produced in the bone marrow. Then the supply of red blood cells will become lesser in your body. Finally, anemia takes place. So, this is another infection. The third is that how it will affect the politics and economy of economy. Actually, what happened? Many countries used it as an advantage to manufacture internally the so many things like a mask and the vaccines. And these vaccines and masks, after this, when they become surplus, they started exporting to different countries which are unable to produce it. So what happened is that it has become a diplomacy. For example, India exported masks and supply medicines. Later on, India started exporting vaccines to different countries. So what happened? It has become a political diplomacy for many nations to survive. Secondly, the economy of the many industries paralyzed, but the medical industry, medical department of industry which produces the medical supplements, medical mask and other kits, they have thrived and the industry has started developing a lot. Third is that the medical department has become very active, one of the most active department, and this has given a lot of popularity for this department, and the people have become more respected and more acceptable to the people, and they have got a lot of changes. The problem is taking place is that economy in other side of because of the lockdown, other part of the industries or the service sectors have been paralyzed, whereas it has been compensated by the manufacturing sector of the medical department. Third is that the export has increased of the medical, and across the world the demand for the medical kit has become very aggressive, and that area has become very, very export oriented economy. So the economy has got a new area where it was surviving for the long years as a sustainers or survivors, now become very active and frontline export industry. So politics, many countries have come together and started developing the medicines together, and the vaccine has started now administering in different countries, and in 1 year time, in 8 months time, the maximum administration of the vaccine will complete and the world will come out of this crisis. All of us can cope. So it has got a political impact, it has got a diplomatic impact, it has got a economic impact, and the medical area which has been only very localized industry, now it has become an international industry where export has thrived very effectively. So now what is the people's cooperation? People's cooperation is that who will survive and how to survive in COVID. COVID is that first of all immunity. If your immunity is very good, COVID virus will not affect you. Otherwise, even if you are affected, it will give you only the mild impact on your body. So increasing immunity, the medicines or the Ayurvedic medicine or any medicine which will increase your immunity is the first step everyone has to do. Preventive is that again wear mask and make sure washing the hands or the eyes, nose or the mouth should not be touched before washing hands, so that the virus will not get in contact with the liquid area of your body, so that the virus will not spread into your body. If on the dry skin, virus is not going to spread even if the virus is in contact with your body. So wet area should be covered or wet area should be touched only with the washed hands. So with this, we end this week's IVTNN's Good Morning World. Thank you for watching IVTNN's Good Morning World. Have a nice day.